Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Fleshlight Shower Mount. So let's get started. So this is the Fleshlight Shower Mount itself. Now this is a perfect accessory for your fleshlight to enjoy in the shower. It has a durable suction cup just here, which will allow you to attach your fleshlights anywhere in the bathroom and experience a completely different way to use your fleshlight. It's compatible with the standard fleshlight cases in any colours except the ice, which is the clear masturbator. Very simple and easy to use. Simply attach your fleshlight to the bottom part here and use a suction cup to attach to any part of the wall and you're all set to go. And that is the Fleshlight Shower Mount. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.